today we're going to be unboxing, and we always do this. Unbagging, because it's a bag, and there's a tag with this on it. It says, "Story, you are," in cursive, so it's kind of hard for me to read. And "Story, you are magic, Miss Gina," because it's all for Miss Gina. So thank you, Miss Gina. It comes with this hip clip, and the bag's so cute. It has, oh yeah, I'm gonna put it in my hair. It has ice cream cats, ice cream dogs, popsicle dogs. It's so cute. There's this hoodie, and it has a heart on it and one sequin, and if you flip it up, it comes that and like that. And this hoodie is so soft. It's my favorite colors, and yeah, crunchy. It's so cute. It matches. It's adorable. It's a mess. So thank you. You know what to do. Love you. Bye.